Hello everyone. Let's take a look at our next problem. Integrate from 0 to infinity the function x e to the power of negative x squared and x cubed times e to the negative x squared. Okay, so these are actually straightforward because the functions we need to integrate lend themselves to integration by substitution pretty much directly, or at least the first one does. The second one we might have to do an integration by parts first, but then it'll be written in terms of the first one. So let's look at the first one. So I have a function which can be written as the product of two functions, and I see that one of my functions here, x, is essentially the derivative of the thing in the exponent here, so this is great for a substitution. So this is the answer for the first integral. The integral of x times e to the negative x squared over the positive reals is a half. I'm going to take a look at the second one now, and I think most likely the first thing I'm going to do is integration by parts, and then things should again be pretty straightforward. Okay, so the integration by parts wasn't exactly straightforward just because you have to be careful what you actually make the substitutions for. My first instinct was to have x cubed be one of the functions in my integration by parts, and that leaves this e to the negative x squared dx as being dv, but of course we can't integrate this. So the way to make the integration by parts substitution is by these two functions here. So now I'm just going to continue with integration by parts, and we should end up with another expression that we can evaluate. So once you substitute everything into the integration by parts formula, this first term is going to be 0, because when you evaluate it at the endpoints, you get 0 or an exponential of negative infinity. And then the second integral turns out to be equivalent to the first integral that we evaluated. We did all the work to that one in the previous part of this problem, and so the answer to this second integral we're asked about is also going to be 1/2. Thanks for watching.